So welcome students to this session on creating table of authorities. As you are aware that a memorandum that you are making is not just a poetic work, it is a legal work. That means each and every claim or statement that you are making is supported by the authority, either primary or secondary. And that is what gives validity to your memorandum or weightage to your memorandum. Now all these authorities that you are citing in your document might not be easily referable without a table of authorities. What is table of authorities? It is list of all the authorities that you have cited in the document classified under each of the headings like cases, agreements, statutes, so on and so forth. So hope you have understood what table of authorities is and why we use the table of authorities. Next thing is how should I go about creating table of authorities? For creating table of authorities, as usual, like table of contents, first you have to two steps are there, simple steps are there, two steps. First thing is you have to mark the entries, and then second thing you have to click on generate TOA. But for TOA, there is a little groundwork to be done if you want the TOA exactly to your expectations. Now, what do I mean by that? See, before starting off marking entries in TOA, you need to kind of sit down and plan whether under TOA the subheadings that I want are these or not. First and foremost, before starting off the TOA, you need to ensure that these table of authority headings are standardized. For example, cases under table of authorities, cases, statutes, other authorities, rules, treaties, regulations, constitution. These are the headings that are there. And here you can see I have created one extra heading like bill because I thought that it should have separate section. Now sometimes here treaties is there. Might be you want the heading agreements and treaties. Now then you have to change this or modify this particular table of authorities. So how do we modify and all those things we'll look at a little later, but this is the preparation that you have to do. Most of the times it is for the practice purpose, it is advised that you go ahead with whatever is there. And let us proceed with creating table of authorities. As I told, first step is in creating table of authorities is marking the entries. For example, let us assume that yeah, this particular I have marked out like this so that I can easily. So this point 4, statement 4 in the Mauritian woman case. So this is a case that I am citing. The authority here is classified under a case. So let me select that, go to references, under table of authorities mark citation, and it is asking for the citation. So long citation, short citation. So this I want to cite it as the Mauritian woman case of CN communication number 35/1978. So mark means only mark this particular instance. Mark all means all the instances wherever such citation is, such a text is there. So right now I am doing mark. So I have marked the case. Now let me mark one more heading. Yes, this I want to mark it as agreement and convention. Select the text, mark citation. So this is how I want to cite that. If it is a long citation, you can specify here the short citation, for example VCLT, if you want to put it as VCLT. So it is left to you how you want to. And this I don't want it under cases, I want it under agreements and conventions. Now there are no agreements and conventions, so I can create that category. So click on category, select some number and select replace 10 with agreements and conventions. Click on replace. Now press OK. So I have marked a case and a agreement and convention. Now close that. So first mark it. So I have marked it. Now close. So we have two things that are cited in terms of authorities. So marking entry is done, or marking citation is done. Now second step is generating TOA. Because this is an example, we are not doing it very elaborately. We are being brief. So these marks that you are seeing, paragraph marks, these are non-printable characters. So if you press under home tab, under paragraph, this paragraph symbol is there, click on that and they all will vanish. So wherever you want the table of authorities, click there. Now we have marked the entries, go to references, click insert table of authorities. If you want all the categories that are listed here, you can keep all the categories that are there. Okay, so let us be a little simple and press OK.